In this video, I'll show you how to expose PeopleSoft data in JSON format. In order to achieve this, we will create a simple query, then we will activate the execute query REST GET service operation, and then finally, we will access the data via a REST client. Let's get started. Navigate to Reporting Tools, Query, Query Manager, and click on Create New Query. Search for peers or Padaphone. Click on Add Record. Select the required fields and add criteria. Click Run. Save the query and make sure that it is public. The next step is to configure the execute query REST GET service operation. Navigate to People Tools, Integration Broker, Integration Setup, Service Operation Definitions, and search for the execute query REST GET service operation. Make sure that the basic authentication is selected, and also verify that the service operation is active. Let us test the service operation. Open your browser and paste the REST service URL. This will display the data in JSON format. We can also use the REST client to access the data. I'm using Insomnia. You can also use a Postman if you prefer. Enter the URL of the REST API and then set up basic authentication. And that's how you expose PeopleSoft data in JSON format. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.